Hi there, welcome back to TELW, the English workshop. My name is Manu. Today, I'm going to tell you about one one topic that you get to speak almost every day of your life. And this whole series of videos on English for beginners has all these topics one by one. These are the everyday topics that you have to speak on, which don't really need any boring grammar rules and boring theories. It's terrible. You don't need all those things. What you need to do is listen to what I'm saying, repeat it, and start using them outside. That's all you need to do. No grammar, no theory, nothing. Okay. Today's topic is live, where you live. Let's look at this. All right, this is a house, right? This is a house. This stands on the ground in a colony. There's a street in front of this house, and this house has a number. Okay, so this is where I live. This is the house where I live. So this house has a number, the street in front of the house has a name, and the place where this house is, the colony, that has a name, and this colony is in a city. That has a name. A city is in a country, that has a name. You get that link? Let's try. That's what when people say, mean when they ask you, where do you live? You're talking about this place. Alright, so what's my house address? It's A175 Green Park, New Delhi. Great, this is my address. So A175 is my house name, Green Park is a colony, New Delhi is a city. So, where do I live? I live in New Delhi. Now, New Delhi is a big place. So, you want to know where exactly? Wow, what is that place? New Delhi's got this. Where? I live in Green Park in New Delhi. See, New Delhi has got an area, a boundary. You live inside that boundary, and the whole thing is called New Delhi. So I live in New Delhi. In New Delhi, Green Park is a colony. So I live in that colony because that colony has also got a boundary, and I live in a house somewhere in that colony. So I live in Green Park. My house has got an address, a number. So that is A175. So where do you live then? That's a number now. A175 is a number. So I don't say I live in A175. I say I live at A175. So where do you live? I live in New Delhi. Whereabouts in New Delhi? Whereabouts? Ask me, whereabouts in New Delhi do you live? Once again, whereabouts in New Delhi do you live? Right, in the earlier videos I told you, do you should be contracted to do when you say that. They normally say that. So they contract these words. So whereabouts in New Delhi do you live? So, do. It's stressed down. Do. Not do you live? No. Do you live? So it's Green Park. Whereabouts in Green Park do you live? It's A175. So I live at A175 in Green Park in New Delhi. And we all know the whole world knows New Delhi is in India. It's the capital city of India, right? So that's where do you live. So why should people ask you where you live? Maybe they want to give you something. They want to come to your house. So they're going to ask you, okay, I'm bringing this to you. Where do you live? Oh, I live in Green Park. Oh, whereabouts in Green Park? It's A175. That's the second floor. It's A175, second floor, Green Park. Great, I'll come to you with the flowers. You go to the market, buy something, and they say, okay, this is home delivery, so where should I send this to you? Or you can send it to A175 Green Park, New Delhi. That's the address. Now, I know, okay, I've got the address, but where is this place? A175. Oh. So I need to know a place that I know, or say everybody else knows, and I will link it to your house. This is a big thing. Everybody knows about this place. Is it a temple? Is it a church? Is it a market? Is it a sweet shop? Now what is that called? That is called the landmark. The landmark. You don't say landmark. The landmark. So what's the question? How do you ask that? What's the landmark? What's the landmark? Repeat. What's the landmark? Or I can ask, what's the landmark near your house? Repeat. What's the landmark near your house? What's the landmark near your house? So what's the landmark? Say in my house, there's a sweet shop in my colony, and I'm going to say, it's near Evergreen Sweet House. That's a pretty big sweet house, by the way, in South Delhi. It's near. So this is my house. This is the Evergreen Sweet House. So it's near Evergreen Sweet House. It's not far. It's near. So what's the landmark? The landmark is Evergreen Sweet House. So where do you live? I live at A175 Green Park. What's the landmark near your house? It's Evergreen Sweet House. Now, you want to ask some other things. Okay, I don't know Evergreen Sweet House. Then I ask, is there a temple near your house? Yes, there is. If I want to know something about the area near your house, what's the area near your house? The surroundings of your house. The surroundings of your house. The surroundings. Repeat this word. Surroundings. Surroundings. So, how do I ask about the surroundings of your house? Is there a market near your house? Yes, there is the Green Park Market near my house. Is there a temple near your house? Yes, there is a Shiva temple near my house. Is there a hospital near your house? Yes, there is a hospital near my house. The AIMS Hospital, the Safdarjung Hospital. Is there a cycle repair shop near your house? Is there a petrol station near your house? Is there a hotel near your house? Is there a near your house? So ask me 5 questions you want to know about my house. Ask me in the comments below. Are there lots of trees near your house? Are there lots of trees. So I'm talking about trees, lots of trees. So I say, are there, not is there. Are there lots of trees near your house? Are there lots of salons near your house? Are there? Is there a salon near your house? Are there salons near your house? Are there mango trees near your house? You can ask whatever you want to ask. You know, I went over there. There were about 5 mango trees. Is that your house? Are there mango trees near your house? Yes, there are. See? Yes, there are. Short answer. The long answer is, yes, there are mango trees near my house. But that is bad communication. You give short answers. Yes, there are. That's all. Is your house on the first cross street? On the street, okay? You can also say in. Is your house on the main road? Is your house on the market road? My house is on the second cross street near the hospital. There is a temple near my house. All the landmarks. So I know, okay, hospital, I know hospital. Temple, I know temple. Second cross street, I know second cross street. So I go to second cross street and I come to your house. So you help people come to your house easily. Not just your house. If you want to tell about your office address, the place where you work, the place where your office is, where your school is. Oh, where is that hospital? That is, and then you tell, it is on this street, there is this near the hospital, there is a taxi stand near the hospital, there is a restaurant near the hospital. So you help the people come to the place. All right. Before I go, one last thing. What is the difference between live and stay? When you say, I live in Green Park, you mean that that is where you live for a long time. You don't intend to move. That's your house. Maybe you pay rent. Maybe that's your own house. Not an issue. You stay there for a long time. You live in Green Park. But if you go, let's say, outside your city, so you stay in a hotel. You're going to stay there for maybe 1 day, 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, and then come back. Short period of time. You say, I stay at the Hyatt Regency. At the Hyatt Regency, at the hotel. I stay at Taj Mansin Hotel. That's it. So stay for short term, live for long term. So tell me about yourself. Give me in the comment, where do you live? Give me the landmarks near your place and how we can come to your house. Maybe your workplace, maybe your school, maybe the movie hall, a PVR maybe near you. How to go there? Tell me where it is. See you in the next video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Share it with others if you think that's going to help them. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to it already. Hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications about our next videos immediately to you. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep communicating in English, practice in English, and keep smiling.